So what I got today is a really simple guitar neck rest. In case you don't have a table to put it on, which I have no room unless I use my kitchen table, but can't do that. Anyway, so I did have a neck rest for a table, but I needed something that would work with the stool, and this is what I did. It's pretty simple. It's just a 1x4, and what I did was so what I did basically was cut a 2.5-inch hole in the 1x4. Okay, so that's just all I did was drill the hole 2.5 inches, then cut it, and then you have your notch, and that's a little bit of felt with sticky felt with a sticky backing. You get a roll of that at one of the stores, the home supply stores. I glued it onto there so it doesn't scratch the guitar neck, and just attached a base to it. Just glued it and a couple of nails at the bottom, square, so it won't topple over. Now what I did with the height was I placed the guitar on there. I didn't place it on there. What I did was place the guitar on the stool and measured to the bottom of the guitar, so to see where I wanted it, and it's a little bit tilted up because I made it a little bit higher for my acoustic guitars. So with the acoustic guitar it's a little bit lower, but it still works, so I can just place it there. Now depending on what height the stool you have, that's how you cut it. All right, make it a little bit lower for the acoustic since it's fatter, and then the electrical fit there pretty nice. So a pretty simple project, nice and easy to make. Good luck.